To install Wxpython on Windows 10, verify whether pip is already installed. Click Start and search for command prompt. Right-click on command prompt and choose Run as administrator. At the command prompt, type pip and press enter. The information shows that pip is installed on my machine. If pip is not installed on your machine, install it. Pip is usually installed when installing Python itself on the machine. If you've installed Python, then you should have pip installed. Go to Google and search for Wxpython. Go to the download page. Under Windows and Mac OS, copy the installation command, which is pip install -u Wxpython. Go to the command prompt, paste it and press enter. Wxpython is being installed. That's it done. Installation of Wxpython is complete. Thank you.